Hi everyone, hope all of your fasting is going on well. I had got tremendous response for my last vlog and thank you so much for all your support and love. Many of you requested for daily vlogs, but it's really difficult to make daily vlogs this month especially, and moreover it would be really boring if I make daily vlogs. So I shall be vlogging in between just to make it interesting. Vlogging is interesting to watch, but behind the scenes is quite challenging because doing house chores is normal, but taking videos along with it is really tiring. So many had requested me to show how I take videos, how I edit and such. Soon I shall make a video on that. Today's video is 2 dinner recipes that you could try out this Ramzan. Rice dumplings in chicken curry and the other one is mutton macaroni. So let's begin the first one, rice dumplings in chicken curry. Showing you how to make the rice dumplings first. To save time, you can make the dumplings and curry simultaneously. For this, you need 2 cups of rice flour. In a vessel, add 2 1/4 more cup of water. Keep it for boiling. Add salt, say around 1 teaspoon. Once the water starts boiling, add the rice flour and mix. This is just like how we make the rice roti dough. I have shown it in my previous videos. Do check it out. Then transfer to a mixing bowl. My friend Aisha had suggested me to use the electric mixer with this plate to knead the dough. It makes a lot more easier to knead. Then into a grinder, add half cup grated coconut, 2 to 3 shallots, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. Grind and add to the dough and knead again. Once well kneaded, spread oil on your hands and roll to thin and pinch into small dumplings, pressing each lightly with your thumb and add it to the steamer. Preparing rice dumplings I had already shown in one of my payasam videos, but it was without the coconut mix, just the rice flour. Once all the dumplings are ready, place it on the steamer and steam for 15 to 20 minutes. And then your dumplings are ready. Then moving on to making the chicken curry. Take 2 medium-sized onions and slice. Then to a grinder, add a small piece of ginger, 1 whole garlic and a handful of green chilies. Here I am not using any chili powder, so extra green chilies instead. Grind to a paste. Into a kadai, adding 2-3 tablespoons of ghee. And firstly goes in the onion sliced. Saute the onions till light brown in color. Then goes in 1 kilo chicken pieces. Mix well till the chicken pieces changes color completely. Then add in the ginger garlic green chili paste. Mix well till the raw smell goes away. Cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then to this add 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. To this add 1 cup curd, that's 170 grams used here, and mix together. Then add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 1/2 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, and mix everything together, adding some salt. Cover and keep in medium flame till the chicken is well cooked. Then add the steamed rice dumplings into the curry. Mix very well and let it cook together for 2 to 3 minutes in very low flame. And the dish is ready to serve. Then goes the mutton macaroni. This is a simple recipe. Boil enough water for cooking pasta, add enough salt. Now to the boiling water add a big spoon of any vegetable oil. Here I've used penne. You can use any but bigger size is tastier. I'm adding 500 grams here. Mix and cook till well done. And then drain. Moving on to making the mutton masala. Into a grinder, adding 1 whole garlic, 2 small pieces of ginger and grind. I have sliced up 2 medium-sized onions. Then you need 2 medium-sized tomatoes and 3 or 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now into a heavy bottom pressure cooker, adding vegetable oil around 1/4 cup. To this add ginger garlic paste and saute till light brown. Then goes in the sliced onions. Cook till soft. Add chopped tomatoes. Add some salt. Then goes in 3 or 4 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix well. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half to 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix everything well till the raw smell goes. To this add 1 kilo mutton pieces. Here I've used mutton with bones. Mix everything together. To this add half to 1 cup of water. Cover the cooker. Put on high flame. After the first whistle, lower the flame to low and cook for 15 minutes. And off the flame. The mutton is ready now. Now to this add the macaroni. Mix everything together. You can see the mutton is well cooked now. Cover again. Cook in very low flame for 5 minutes. Serve hot. So that's for today's video, friends. Hope you would try this out and let me know if you liked it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates. Do share among your friends and family. See you again with another video. Until then, stay blessed, take care, bye bye, Assalamu alaikum.